Today, I'm going to try to break one of the most advanced air defense systems in the world. This airbase is protected by everything. THAAD, Patriot missile system, David's Sling, Iron Dome, and NASAMS, all working together. And today, we're going to see if anything can actually get through. Round 1. Let's start simple. Drones going in first. Cruise missiles right behind them. The defenses detected the threats and launched interceptors. They're engaging everything easily. They didn't even struggle. Round 2. I changed the strategy. This time, everything arrives at once. 10 ballistic missiles on top of the 15 drones, and 8 cruise missiles were used in round 1. Ballistic missiles coming from high altitude, cruise missiles staying low. Drones are still distracting the system. Missiles coming in from multiple directions. This is a lot harder to stop. Wait, that almost got through, but they still managed to stop everything. These systems are designed for exactly this type of attack. Round 3. I stopped trying to overwhelm the system, and instead, I tried to break it. These are hypersonic missiles, extremely fast and very difficult to intercept. 6 hypersonic missiles, all heading straight for the airbase. THAAD reacted first. It launched interceptors, and the rest to follow. They're detecting them. Interceptors are launching. They're trying to stop them. But this is different. Wait, that one just went through. No way, another one got through. This is where everything starts falling apart. Once the defenses are damaged, everything else starts slipping through. And now the cruise missiles are coming in. And even the drones, they're not being stopped anymore. What nothing else could do, these hypersonic missiles just did in seconds. Do you think this scenario could happen in real life? Or maybe it did happen? Please share your opinion in the comments, and thank you for watching.